Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can transfer money from Huntington to Cash App. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that, it's a very easy method. All you gotta do is simply open up your Cash App, and from over here tap on this little profile icon given on top right corner, and then from your account section go ahead tap on this option of linked banks. Now go ahead tap on this option of linked bank right over there. Simply go to search bar and type in Huntington Bank, and so once you get the result, tap on it. Then add in the all correct bank details right over there and tap on this option of link your bank. And once your bank is linked, you will find this option. Go ahead tap on this continue at the bottom, and now go back to the home screen and tap on this money icon at the bottom. Then tap on add cash right over there and choose the amount that you would like to add, and tap on add at the bottom again. Then you simply have to provide a PIN code that you have set, and then your transaction will be done, and the amount will be added to your Cash App by the Huntington app that you just added, and that is it. So I hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.